Hello and welcome to an absolutely lovely day in Wicklow. Today is a very special day because we have a guest from the US. So this is Nick here. Nick is visiting from the US. He's working a section of Bedrock. I can't get him there. I just don't have the physical capacity yet. So there's Nick doing his thing. He's just fanning away at Bedrock underneath. So when he does come up, I'll have a chat with him. So what I'm going to do is going to bring you upstream here to where I'm working. Who wants to be the first in the comments to let us know where you're going to test? Now, where are we going to dig? Anyone? Anyone at all? 3, 2, 1. The answer is, we're going to start here. So I would imagine right here is going to be our best spot. Look, there's a rounded rock. So that's travelled a decent distance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little baby shovel. Okay, so you saw in the last scene we were getting things ready for doing our first sample pan. Then I went off and got my bag and completely forgot I had brought my metal detector. Now, I know in Ireland the word metal detector is a little bit of a controversial statement. The rules are you're not allowed to use a metal detector with the core intention of actively seeking out items of archaeological significance that would otherwise be considered property of the state. I'm in a river and I have a metal detector and I have a gold pan. I'm going to use to detect the mineralization. So what I'll do is, this is, by the way, if anyone's interested, the Mine Lab Go Find 22. Just looking at some rocks that might be mineralized, so that might give me false signals. Once I stop getting false signals, now I'm going to do some detecting. Okay, that's iron that's hitting for. And anytime I've used this before, and those settings have come up, I found gold. Okay, hang on, that should be good. That's exactly what I want. Watch that. So basically what you're aiming to get is this one and that one at the same time. Right, so now what I'm going to do is going to see if the signal is two-way repeatable. So we're going north-south, we'll say. Now we'll go east-west. Yes. Okay, brilliant. I'm going to dig this. So this is Nick, he's been doing some sniping on the water. Any gold yet?
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet. Same as myself, I got a signal out of the hole there, but sure it's early days, and that's part of the process, isn't it?
Exactly.
Eventually you'll find it.
The pyrite to get me excited at least.
Yeah. Did you found pyrite?
Yeah, lots of shit.
Yeah, I'd say there's more crevicing hills down there, so.
Okay.
Cool. Alright.
I'll keep checking with these.
See you later.
Alright.
See all the sparkly stuff? That might have been what Nick had seen. So that's granite with loads of mica everywhere. You see that on the water, you could be easily forgiven for thinking that was gold. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a sucker draw from the middle of that hole. A lot of the bells is going off around here. So this particular sucker tube has a 2-inch nozzle. That's not bad material, like that. You can see where there's not a whole lot of big stones there. Bump up the hand, and again, if you ever want to learn how to do this properly, come along to one of my classes. Okay, so let's have a quick look. Again, no idea if there's going to be gold here or not. There is happy days. There is, I'll probably use the phone for that. Ironstone there as well, nothing unusual there. It might be the actual ironstone itself that the detector is going and picking up on. Hold on. I think we might have a speckle of gold here. Hang on. Yeah, there you go. Look. Small little piece of gold in the middle there.